Alright, so today's weekly recap, right? I didn't take any trades this week because there was a certain days where I could have, but I will explain why I didn't take them. So the first trade was on Wednesday, right? I think, yeah, on GU. So I did mention last week, anything inside of here will be low probability, right? So when this trade happened Wednesday here, as you can see, this trade broke this internal structures, right? Because this internal, anything here will be low probability, this is going to be trade internal. When this trade happened, I did notice, or I did check if it broke this structure or not, you know, the internal structure. So yeah, I didn't check it. I was just monitoring the trade from here. Well, I think I even have it in missed trades. So I was monitoring the trade, and I saw the entry model, but I didn't take it because it's over here. Yeah, oh, it's not this one. Oh, wait, there's the other trade. Let's just go to the one in 3 minutes. So like I was saying, I was just looking at the entry model while the trade was happening because I thought it was still within the internal structures. That's why I didn't take it. But otherwise, if I took it, it would have been a break even. Or because this high wasn't taken because EU already took it. You know, it gave a fake mock shift in this window to mock shift and then it gave pullback. I could have entered there. So yeah, I didn't take the first trade because I didn't check if it broke external or internal. The second trade was on, I think it was, this was an internal trade. Yeah, this one was just monitoring. I did see it, but I didn't take it because obviously it is a high probability internal trade, but I don't take these trades for now. Anyways, the second trade was, I think it was an yeah, Friday. So this one, like I showed this over here, I simply did it because of fear. Simple, it just says fear. Here's why, right? So I wasn't sure if price is gonna be bearish because the price delivery was pretty strong for bullish. Looking at it now, area to up in not area inducement of a build up. So I was only bearish after this break of structures. And then it was over here. It gave me a continuations entry moment. Here. If I mark my structures, as you can see, we do sort of this break of structure. Actually, sorry, this is internal. Broke the low, and then from here the pullback where the 50 cent could have entered somewhere. Oh my god. Yeah, anyways, somewhere around there could have entered, but I didn't take it because again, I don't feel comfortable taking the continuations entry model, even though I do, but sometimes I don't. So when I'm in a losing streak, I feel taking those trades, and that's why this trade I didn't take because I was also scared of taking it, like it says over here. But anyways, it was a good trade. But yeah, I just need to keep working on my emotions and not be so scared because it was a high probability ending model. There was a build to the opposite side. The quarter, so the pullback wasn't yet of anything. It was just a build up and all that. But yeah, even though there's an imbalance here, but this wasn't a pretty strong. It wasn't a strong inverse price to push high, price to go higher. The cause of the price was and the price delivery was stronger for bearish than bullish. So yeah. And that's all of the missed trades I took this weekend. But besides that, market, I actually expected the price to go higher this week. After, let me see, yeah. So here I expected it to cause a pullback, but apparently just went lower. I kept going lower. Yeah, G as well. This I would expect to cause a fake pullback, but just kept delivering lower and lower. But yeah, that's it for the last weeks. And on that, I just need to work on my emotions and stop missing on trades if I see one. And I need to pay attention if the market is broken external internal structure.